Introducing the Tricam India Thermal Massager Multipurpose Belt JBMK 90. This beautifully designed belt combines cutting-edge wellness technology with elegant craftsmanship. The belt is embedded with 158 pieces of JB Brown genuine ceramic stones, specially designed for maximum therapeutic effect. The thermal massager belt therapy is based on the principles of warm heat therapy, far infrared rays, moxibustion, acupressure, and acupuncture, all rooted in the world of alternative medicine. The Tricam India Thermal Massager Belt offers a wide range of health benefits, including improved blood circulation, enhanced nervous system function, strengthened immune system, relief from chronic and muscular pain, activation and rejuvenation of body cells, stimulation of natural hormone secretion, improved metabolism and energy balance. Connect the power connector cable into the mat. Plug the power cable to switch it on. Press the power button on the remote to turn it on. Adjust the temperature of the mat by pressing plus button to increase the temperature. Or press minus button to reduce the temperature. You can use the belt over your body in different ways to enjoy different therapeutic benefits. This placement can help you in reducing shoulder pain, reducing back pain, reducing cervical issues, reducing arms pain, and in improving respiratory system. This placement can help you in keeping your heart healthy, keeping lungs healthy, and in reducing mid-back pain. This placement of the belt can help you in reducing abdominal fat, improving intestine care, reducing sexual issues, improving liver care, improving digestion, and improving kidney care. This placement can help you in reducing back pain, reducing sciatica pain, improving poor blood circulation in legs, and reducing slip disc pain. This placement can help you in reducing thigh pain, reducing hip joints pain, and improving sexual health issues. This placement can help you in reducing legs pain and in reducing knee pain. This placement can help you in reducing feet swelling, reducing diabetic foot, reducing varicose veins, reducing numbness, and in reducing cold feet. This placement can help you in reducing knee pain, reducing varicose veins, reducing swelling, reducing calf muscle pain, reducing cramps, and in improving blood circulation in legs. This placement can help you in improving nerve stimulation, improving spine care, relaxing muscles, and in reducing body pain. This body position over the belt can help you in improving respiratory system, keeping healthy heart, better digestion, better kidney and liver care, and in reducing body pain and swelling. This body position can help you in preventing piles and constipation, managing irregular periods, menstrual pain relief, reducing uterus-related issues, and in reducing infertility. Thank you for watching the video of Tricam India Thermal Massager Belt JBMK 90. Experience wellness with innovation only at Tricam India.